Welcome onto the Kanen Coffee Workbench. Today we're taking a look at this beautiful Pavoni Professional. It's gotten some new electrical, including a pressure stat, which is great. As you can see, it's sitting nicely just above 1 bar. We replaced some other wiring that had melted due to some electrical work, so everything's working beautifully, and we're going to pull a shot. Great, and then just showing that the steam wand is working as expected. Got some good steam going there. There you have it, this machine's ready to go. Please take a look at the comment section, like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you don't miss anything else, and thank you for choosing Kanen Coffee.